Handmade. I'm Jill. So like a lot of other girls, my daughter is crazy about her dolls. They are her daughters, her babies, her friends, and they go everywhere with her. They also come with a lot of stuff, and I get really tired of seeing it laying all over the floor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a doll clothing rack that cost me less than $10 to make and is stylish. Let's get started. The very first thing I'm gonna do is cut my wood slats to size. Now we're gonna need 4 pieces of wood total, so all I'm gonna do is cut these boards in half. The dolls are 18 inches long, so I'm actually gonna make the stand also that tall. These are 3-foot long boards. Half of 3 feet is 18 inches. So now I'm just gonna cut my boards in half. I'm gonna bring in another piece of wood. This is what I call my sacrificial board. This I can drill into, cut on, and it doesn't matter if it gets messed up, but it helps protect my work surface. I don't want to drill a hole into my table. So now I have my 4 slats cut, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my dowel rod to the desired length, 20 inches long. And that's actually good because it'll count for some room on either end for the dowel caps. So I think it'll make it about 18 inches, which I like it. 18 inches each. Easy math is my kind of math. So because this is a toy that a child's gonna be playing with, I do wanna be sure to sand the edges down really well. So now I'm gonna decide where I want my dowel rod to go, and that'll be the rod that hangs the clothes. So I'm going to do this about 1.5 inches down. I'm marking just so I have an idea, but a great way to do this is to make one hole and then stack this up on top of the others. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. I'm gonna also make a hole at the bottom, and that's where I'm gonna put some extra support twine. I'm gonna do that about 2 inches up. I'm gonna move these other ones for a minute. I'm just gonna work on this one. So using this spade bit, this is gonna make a hole that our dowel rod is gonna go through. Another wonderful thing about using a board underneath is it helps your hole be clean on both sides instead of blowing out. So, like I said, I'm now going to just stack this. I don't think we're all the way through, but now we can move that other one. So close. There we go. 2 done, 2 to go. That's it. I have 4 nice smooth holes. So now I'm gonna switch out my bit, and I'm just gonna use a regular drill bit. This size is based on what you wanna use as some support string at the bottom. I'm just gonna use some jute twine. So measure your twine, make sure your hole is big enough to go through there. And remember, I measured 2 inches up. Now I have a hole for my twine to go through. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the larger holes. Sand down these sharp edges, both sides. All right, now let's start building. All I'm gonna do is make a little teepee. And I'm gonna put my dowel rod through my big holes. I'm gonna do the exact same on the other side. And you can kind of spread these out a little bit so they can help stand. Remember those holes we drilled at the bottom? To help give this a little bit more support, I'm going to tie some twine to those legs, purpose being so it doesn't come really far out and fall down. That'll help it hold. So I want my knot to be on the inside, so I'm gonna thread it through. I'm just gonna make a couple knots. I'm gonna tie it a few times. I'm gonna pull it through. That's pretty good. I don't really want it to get any wider than that. Now I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, trim those up so they match the other side. Then I'm going to add my dowel caps. And you could just slide these on, but I really want them to stay securely. So I'm just gonna put a dab of wood glue in here. I'm gonna repeat on the other side. Slide that there, and I have my rack. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna come back and see how it works. Okay, so this has been drying for a few hours, and now I'm ready to just see how it works. So I bought doll plastic hangers online, and I bought 20 of them for less than $5. And they are perfect for any of these 18-inch tall dolls that are so popular. I tell you, these dolls have better wardrobes than I do. But isn't that the way it goes? I'm just gonna keep hanging clothes and organizing it, and I'm gonna take this up to my daughter's room. Guys, I am thrilled with how this turned out. It is both affordable and adorable, and it was really pretty easy to make. It is the cutest way to showcase these dolls' extensive, fancy wardrobe. Let me know in the comments below if you've made any DIY things for your dolls that I should also try out. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.